Now consider this example where you are asked to find out the missing number. It says 445 plus question mark equal 999. Converting this to our usual way of representation, 445 plus, you can take any alphabet. Let us take y equal to 999. So 445 plus the missing number y equal to 999. So now the next step, I told you to consider that if nothing is written in front of any number, consider that to be a positive sign, plus sign. Now this is your left hand side. Other side of the equivalent sign is right hand side, RHS, and left hand side is LHS. Now again, as you want to find out the value of plus y or simply y, you please put that plus y on the left hand side and let this 445 jump to the other side. So if this number plus 445 jumps to the other side, then this plus sign will become minus sign. So please remember this thing. If any number jumping from left hand side to right hand side, then the symbol changes. If a number, please remember these things, it's very easy. It jumps from one side of equivalent symbol to the other side, then its sign changes. So if the sign is plus, it will change to minus, negative sign. If the sign is minus, the sign will change to plus sign. So 445 jumped to the other side, the symbol will become minus, as because the symbol was plus on left hand side, it will become minus after jumping into the right hand side. So minus 445. And this plus y will remain as it is on the left hand side. Why we are putting plus with y on the left hand side and putting it solitary? That means we are keeping this y alone on left hand side, because we have to find out the value of y. So plus y equal to plus 999 minus 445. Now let us carry out the subtraction. 999 minus 445. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4, 5. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is equal to 554. So this is equal to 554, which is option B. So option B is the right answer over here. At this point of time, I again tell you that even if you do not know this procedure, you can arrive at this right answer by checking the options one after another, one by one. So you can first plug in 445 over here and check whether you can arrive at 999. You can plug in 554 in place of question mark, then check whether you can arrive at 999 or not. Let us check first. Let us now try to do. So first I am checking option A, 445 plus. I am plugging option A. Option A is 445, and we have to check, because addition of 445 and the missing number, which we have represented by y, should be equal to 999. So at the very beginning, 5 plus 5, 10. You see that the units place is 0, and here units place is 9. So we need not proceed further, but still let us carry out the addition fully. At this point of time, after getting 0 in the units place, you can drop adding further, because anyway this is not going to be the answer. Carrying out, so 890, so this is not the right option. Now checking option B, it says 445 plus 554, 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 5, 9. Wow, we have arrived at the number which is there in the right hand side. So plugging in the given options in place of question mark, we can arrive at 999, and hence we got the right answer. So again, at this point of time, let me remind you that please do not leave the question as it is. Try to figure out how you can solve it with the knowledge you have. Thank you.
If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodmonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.